Using any borrow bill, okay, any nomination doesn't matter. Flip the bill over. Flip it. So you come out with the two bill. Okay. A bill like this. Put it here. Shake it. The bill going to. Okay. You will shake it. You can shake it. I even put through. Yeah. You can see the bill. No hole. Let's learn. Okay. First, you borrow any bill. Okay. You flip this over. Flip this over. Okay. This is what you see from the front. But if you see from the back, when you flip it here, okay, are exposed behind the scene, okay? When you open it up, you hold this line over here and you bend just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit, but you do it behind the bill on the top, so they cannot see what's happening, okay? Then you hold with your thumb, okay? After you do that, you flip it, okay. Either this face up or this face down, the same way. You face up, then you put this one. Okay. This is what happened. You just shake it. Under the motion of shake it, you leave it. Move your hand. So make the illustration. The bill is penetrate. Right. In reality, just a little bit. But in their view, the audience view, they look like you created the illusion of they penetrate to another bill, okay? Then the way you pull it out slowly, with your thumb, keep covering, and then pull it out. When you want to open it, you open this side first, cover the movement of this hand, you pull, okay? Then you open it, at the same time, so they cannot see. Okay. You can hand over to the spectator and then tell them to examine it. Is that a thumb hole or anything? Right? Simple but very cool trick. Try that, guys.